Uchigila usangfoni uyelela kuyoze kubenini yeah kuyoze kubenini ha kuyoze kubenini hewa kuyoze kubenini uyalala namuhla uyangifuna uyangitsandza sasa sewujikile.
Phumla is an Afro-pop artist, Afro house artist from Ebabaton. Started the journey at the age of 5. The love for music started when I was staying with my grandmother. And when I was 5, she said to me, "You are going to be the biggest artist ever." And my mom was like, "Hey, you're 7 me." So I think if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have realized that I have a good voice and a great personality to attach it with. I went there. Then I was coming from a record label. I was signed at Limpopo. I can say when I entered the musical creative workshop, bengisanayo I background or I foundation ye career yam. On Friday, the last day of the music creative workshop, you enter a competition with other artists. Ngaphuma number 1 kuma vocalists, and I won a sum of 50,000 from NYDA, which I had to grow more in my business. Ngavula my own record label, Spencer Records. I have the name behind nickname yababwa my late dad. So it's Spencer Records. Mangis Vula, they taught me how to run a business. I took all the programs they had for me at NYDA, and it was a new era for Phumla music. Departments of Culture, Sports and Recreation was the one that lended us the opportunity that workshop ibe khona, number 1, and also the successes of us kuthi sikhone kuwina, sikhone nokuperforma ku cultural experience, ikasi experienced. We were treated just the same as the nationals, number 1. I need to underline that. I don't think also for myself I would be having the heavy profile that I have today if as a Mpumalanga artist I've never performed good cultural experience.